Hello researchers, how are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. In the previous video, I have demonstrated how to install Zorin OS Core version 9 on Oracle VirtualBox. Now in this video, I will be taking my video step ahead, that is to another version of Zorin OS that is known as Zorin OS Lite, which is again the version 9 on Oracle VirtualBox. So before we start with the installation, let me tell you what is actually meant by Zorin OS Lite, which is available readily onto your website, that is zorinos.com. Zorin OS Lite packs the most essential features of Zorin OS into a lightweight package that runs fast on even the oldest and lowest spec machines. Everything from the interface to the selection of software is optimized to run as smoothly and expediently as possible on your computer. So which means that it is a toned down version of Core and it can be available to run even on the low version machines, that is even on 512 MB of RAM machine with a 20 GB of hard disk drive, or even 256 MB RAM machine with 10 GB of hard disk drive. So if you want to download, you can download. Click over here. It is again available for 32-bit. So I have already downloaded it on my desktop. So here it is. So if I right click on properties, it is saying 947 MB. So let us start the installation part. So here I open the Oracle VirtualBox. I click on new. I type in Zorin Lite 9 Operating System. So I type in Linux and version will be taken as Oracle other Linux 64-bit. So why it is 64-bit? It would be an important question for all of you, that I'm using a 32-bit OS but I'm using other Linux 64-bit. Because why? My machine is having 64-bit architecture. So if I type in 32-bit, it will be saying some kernel error. So for removing the kernel error and make the 32-bit to be installed properly in my machine, I use 64-bit part. So I click on next. I just type 1 GB of RAM. Next. Click on create. Next. I allocate 10 GB of hard disk drive. So click on create. So let me power on. So let me browse this and come to my desktop, Zorin OS 9 Lite 32-bit. Click on open and click on start. So I close it, view full screen mode. So now you can see that the main logo or the main opening screen, the blue screen of Zorin has started, and we find that almost all these steps which I have done into Zorin Core 9 Core will be almost same on Zorin Core 9 Lite. But the main thing is that it is a light version. It was somewhat a heavy distribution. So let's wait for the opening screen to come. It will take some time. Yes. So now you can see that it has started booting and Zorin OS 9 logo has come. So you can see that the BIOS has been initialized and the same wallpaper which we have found on Zorin Core 9 has been there into Zorin Core 9 Lite also. So again the same, so I will not be repeating. So you can see my previous video of installing Zorin Core. So same I will be taking. So again it is having two options, that is try Zorin and install Zorin. So I click on install Zorin. So again all these options. So it was asking about 2.7 GB of hard disk drive when we were installing that is a core part, and it is saying about 1.9 GB. So if your computer is having 5 GB of hard disk drive, again it is enough for us. So click on continue. So same option, install now. So again the location, where are you? That is Asia, Kolkata. Continue. And after that it will be demanding for a username and password like keyboard, etc. So click on continue again. And let me type my name. Password. So it is somewhat very fluffy to use. So you can see that it has almost done finishing the copy files. After copying the files, it will be installing system, configuring the locals, and same post bootloader options, grub install, and then the interface. So let me pause the video for some time and I return once it gets installed. So now you can see that it is installing the system. And same time it has taken. and now it is downloading some files, so I don't require those files, so I click on skip. So it is configuring the time zone, keyboard, user, language package installing, post USB, hardware configuration. So almost everything is same, but the main thing is that it is somewhat light as compared to the core part. So let's wait for finishing, and we do the reboot, and we come with the light part. So core version has taken me about 7 to 8 minutes. The light version has taken me about 4 to 5 minutes. So not big difference, not much difference. And now it is configuring the bootloader, grub install, init from fs. Everything I think so is being done. Just wait for the finish. Yes, so now you can see that the installation is complete and you need to restart the computer to use a new installation. So click on restart now. So let us press enter because we have removed the installation media, so no need to do that. Press enter to restart. So again the same options have come. So press enter on Zorin. So my name has come with the opening box, so I press my password and press enter. Yes. So let us have some tour. So lightweight, graphics, internet, almost like the Office is not there because it's a light version. It is having only Word and not LibreOffice. So sound is there, Wine is there, system tools are there, preferences are there. So everything is like Windows. So in this video, I have demonstrated how to install Zorin Lite version 9 on Oracle VirtualBox. So do share with your friends. Do give this a like to this video. Thanks for watching.